An airplane is flying high in the sky and it is carrying 500 passengers and 50 tons of cargo.
Wow.
Johnny is playing fetch with his dog when he spots the airplane high in the sky. Johnny uses a telescope to look at the airplane and sees that it is 18 kilometers away from him.
Huh?
Given that the angle of elevation is 45 degrees and that Johnny is 6 feet 5 inches tall, how high is the airplane in the sky?
What?
Give your answer in feet.
Oh no!
How do we go about solving a problem like this? Well, first let's define angle of elevation.
No.
The angle of elevation is the angle formed by the line of sight and the horizontal plane for an object above the horizon. To make this a bit simpler, let's draw it out.
Yeah.
Here is our airplane, and here is Johnny. Now, this is Johnny's line of sight. We know that this length is 18 kilometers. On the other hand, this line is the horizontal formed from his eye level and not the ground. That is very important. So, this angle is the angle of elevation since it shows how much above horizontal Johnny's line of sight is. We know that this angle measures 45 degrees. Now, the question is asking for this distance, or how high in the sky the airplane is flying. Since we don't know how high in the sky the airplane is flying, let's assume that it is flying h kilometers in the sky. Now, with this in mind, how do we find the value of h? Well, this looks a lot like a right-angled triangle, where this angle measures 45 degrees and the hypotenuse measures 18 kilometers. We are asked to find the length of this line. We are given the measure of an angle and the length of the hypotenuse, yet we are asked to find the length of the opposite. Psst, SOHCAHTOA! Aha! I think we can use the sine function. We know that the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So, in this case, sine 45 is equal to the measure of the opposite, which is h kilometers, over the hypotenuse, which is 18 kilometers. Let's think back to our unit circle. In the previous video, which is linked below, we said that the value of sine 45 is equal to 1 over root 2. Great! We can use this in our equation. 1 over root 2 is equal to h over 18. We can simplify this to say that h is equal to 18 over root 2. Wait!
What?
Let's simplify this even farther.
Oh no!
18 over root 2 is equal to 12.73 kilometers. Don't forget, however, that the question is asking us to give our answer in feet. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 3,280.84 feet. But we want to know how many feet are in 12.73 kilometers. So, we can multiply 3,280.84 by 12.73 to get 41,765.1 feet. Hold up! That's not right!
What?
We forgot to take Johnny's height into account.
Oh no!
Remember, we are calculating this length from Johnny's eye level, not the ground. The question, however, is asking how high in the sky the airplane is. So, to give the correct answer, we have to add Johnny's height to 41,765.1. So, 41,765.1 plus 6 feet 5 inches is equal to 41,771.517 feet. So, this airplane is flying 41,771.517 feet.